It's the year 2030. You wake up, glance at your phone, and realize your money has already made decisions while you slept. Your savings have shifted into a higher yield fund. Your AI budget assistant canceled 2 unused subscriptions. And your digital wallet just sent you a message. You've earned cashback and carbon credits for buying local. Sounds futuristic. Maybe. But everything you just heard could be your real life in just 5 years. Because the financial revolution is no longer coming. It's happening. So here's the real question. Are you preparing for it? Or are you about to get left behind? Stay till the end, because in this video, we're breaking down how personal finance is evolving by 2030, what will change forever, and how you can position yourself to thrive in this next money era, the age of intelligent money. By 2030, money won't just sit in your account, it'll think for you. Artificial intelligence is taking over personal finance faster than most people realize. According to global market projections, AI in financial services is set to grow beyond $190 billion by 2030, expanding at a rate never seen before. Imagine this, your banking app isn't just tracking expenses, it's predicting them. It knows your rent is due, your vacation is approaching, and your side hustle is trending up. It's not guessing, it's learning your behavior and optimizing every decision in real time. Robo-advisors will become digital financial coaches, adjusting your investments based on economic trends and your risk tolerance. Missed payments? Overspending? Forget it. AI-powered budgeting tools will flag, fix, and forecast before damage happens. Would you trust an algorithm to decide your financial future? By 2030, millions will. Because human error costs money, and data-driven precision doesn't sleep. AI isn't just making finance faster. It's making it predictive, proactive, and personal. The era of invisible finance. In 2030, finance will be everywhere, and yet you'll barely notice it. We're heading into the era of invisible money, where payments, loans, and insurance integrate directly into your digital life. When you shop online, ride in a car, or stream a movie, financial tools will work silently behind the scenes. This is called embedded finance, and by 2030, they'll dominate the global economy. Want to split payments instantly? Get credit approval in seconds, or insure your trip with one tap. You won't go to a bank. The bank will come to you. And here's the wild part. Biometric and behavioral authentication will replace passwords and cards. Your face, voice, or even how you hold your phone could authorize payments. The result? Money becomes frictionless. No queues, no delays, no middlemen. But convenience comes with a trade-off: data. Every swipe, scan, and approval builds your digital profile. So the smarter finance gets, the more it knows about you. Are you comfortable letting your wallet learn who you are? Because by 2030, it already will. Decentralized money, the new financial frontier. Next, let's talk about the biggest disruptor of all, decentralized finance, or DeFi. By 2030, blockchain won't just be for crypto traders. It will be the backbone of global money movement. We're talking loans, insurance, cross-border payments, even real estate transactions, all happening without banks. Smart contracts will replace paper agreements. Want a loan? You won't apply, you'll interact with a piece of code that verifies, approves, and executes terms instantly. Your collateral, your payment schedule, and interest will all be automated on a transparent blockchain ledger. And yes, digital currencies, especially central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, will likely redefine what cash needs. Governments from China to the EU are racing to roll them out, and when they do, your physical money might become as rare as a fax machine. But decentralization brings new rules and new risks. Hacks, scams, and volatile tokens will test your judgment. Would you trust code more than a banker? Because in 2030, millions might not have a choice. Those who understand blockchain early will navigate it confidently. Those who don't may struggle to keep up in the system with no undo button. Financial inclusion and the global shift. Now here's a positive twist: access. By 2030, billions more people will finally have access to financial systems through mobile phones and fintech platforms. In developing economies, where traditional banks never reached, digital wallets are changing lives. According to projections, household savings in countries like India could rise by nearly 3 percentage points by 2030. The World Bank predicts that emerging markets' share of global investment could triple. This means a young entrepreneur in Nairobi, a freelancer in Manila, or a farmer in rural India could manage money, access credit, or invest, all from a smartphone. But it also means competition. Global financial power is shifting. The next financial giant might not be from New York or London, it might be from Lagos or Jakarta. What happens when everyone everywhere suddenly has access to the same global markets? The answer: opportunity expands, but so does the race. If you understand these emerging trends early, you can ride the wave instead of getting caught in the undertow. The green wallet, sustainability in finance. In 2030, money won't just buy things, it'll send a message. Welcome to sustainable finance, where investors, banks, and even consumers will vote with their wallets. People won't just ask, how much will I earn? They'll ask, what impact will my money make? Green bonds, eco loans, and carbon credit incentives will dominate portfolios. But car loan could come with a discount for choosing electric. Your investments might be rated by environmental impact, not just ROI. And for companies, transparency won't be optional. If they pollute, exploit, or mismanage data, investors will walk away. Sustainability will shift from moral preference to financial performance. Would you sacrifice 1% of returns if it meant a cleaner planet and stronger future? In 2030, many will, and the market will reward them for it. The rise of ESG, environmental, social, governance, investing will prove one thing. In the next decade, doing good will pay well. Challenges ahead, the price of progress. But let's be real, every revolution has its risks. The future of finance isn't without turbulence. Cyber attacks, data theft, and deepfakes will threaten digital assets. As systems become smarter, so do scammers. And when AI predicts your habits better than you can, the line between convenience and control blurs. Regulations will race to catch up. But not every government will move equally fast. That means what's legal or safe in one country might be restricted or risky in another. And then there's the digital divide. Millions still lack internet access or digital literacy. As finance moves online, those left offline risk exclusion from the new economy entirely. Will financial freedom become universal or a luxury for the tech-savvy? The good news: awareness is power. The people who learn, adapt, and question how tech handles their money will stay ahead. The ones who ignore it may pay the price later. How to prepare for 2030? So what can you do right now to prepare for the financial future of 2030? First, embrace intelligent tools. Start using apps that analyze, predict, and guide, not just track. Let AI work for you, not on you. Second, diversify smartly. Explore new asset classes, crypto, green funds, global markets, but always research first. Risk is real, but so is reward. Third, protect your data like you protect your money. Enable two-factor authentication, use secure devices, and think twice before linking accounts to every new app. Fourth, educate yourself. The biggest gap in 2030 won't be wealth, it'll be knowledge. People who understand how finance and technology intersect will have the edge. And finally, align your values with your finances. Your money is your vote for the kind of world you want. Do you want your money to grow quietly or grow while shaping the world you believe in? The decade ahead will reward action, awareness, and adaptability. By 2030, the line between technology and money will disappear. AI will think, blockchain will verify, and your wallet will become your identity. The only question left is, will you lead this new financial age or chase it from behind? Tell me in the comments, which trend do you think will impact your life the most by 2030? AI finance, digital currencies, or sustainability? I'll be reading every comment to see what you think. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the future of money. Because tomorrow's wealth belongs to those who prepare for it today.